Here I have a Nissan Qashqai J11 from 2019 which I cannot reset the AdBlue level. It has the AdBlue low range message on the dashboard and the AdBlue tank is almost full. So the message is wrong since I fill it up with approximately 16 liters of AdBlue liquid a few days ago. So I tried to reset the AdBlue level using the following two methods that I find it on internet. I try reset the AdBlue level using a professional car diagnose tool. I refill the AdBlue tank again with the ignition on. I tried to reset the AdBlue level on this 2019 Nissan Qashqai using a professional diagnostic tool which called Launch, used by professional mechanics, and did not work. Then I tried the other method, filling up the AdBlue tank again with the ignition on. I started by emptying the AdBlue tank. I removed the tank cap to allow the AdBlue liquid to drain faster. I removed the plastic cover from under the AdBlue tank using a 10mm socket. Then I removed the nozzle from the tank to drain all the AdBlue liquid. After emptying the tank, I got into the car, closed all the doors, as they say it should, turned on the ignition and poured all the AdBlue liquid back into the tank. In vain, the AdBlue level did not reset. So, all I had to do was to go to a Nissan dealer. To solve the problem, Nissan performed a software update that cost €150. Fortunately, it was just a bug on the ECU software, as they say, and that is why the AdBlue level could not be reset. This operation can vary between €150 to €200 depending on the car model. But before this update of the ECU, I was warned that the car might not start and you would have to replace the ECU and the AdBlue system. This would have cost me around €3,000. So, the update was successful and the AdBlue low range message disappeared from the dashboard display. After that, I decided to cancel the AdBlue system since the Nissan dealer told me that this problem could occur again after 100, 1,000 or 10,000 kilometers. The cost for cancel the AdBlue system was €350, but the price differs depending on the car model. I hope this information will be helpful for someone who has the same problem like me. If you also had a problem with the AdBlue system and solved it, you can tell us in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.